Hey y'all, it's Veronica. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am a travel writer, travel vlogger, overall travel enthusiast. And today, this is an interesting vlog. I'm trying some new things, so this is one of them. So I've never really been a TikTok person. I'm only just now getting into TikTok. And if you're on TikTok, you know you're just inundated with TikTok shop baddest. And usually I am not an easily persuadable, easily influenced person, but I kept seeing the ads for this travel bag. And I was like, y'all know I got my trusty, faithful underseater that has taken me, baby, we've been everywhere together. We've been to London, Miami, Vegas, Atlanta. We go everywhere together. But I was like, I gotta try this just because I've seen it. So I wanted to put it through a wear test and actually a compare test too between it's a backpack and then also my underseater and see how it goes, how I like it, if it's worth it. I think I only paid, I'm gonna double check. I wanna say $40. It might be between $30 and $40. So I'm gonna check. I'm packing for a trip. I'm actually going to Miami on Saturday. It's Thursday. So I'm only gonna be there 2 days. So this is the perfect time to test out this bag. I'm probably gonna do because I have 2 trips coming up, I'm probably gonna do a wear test twice on both of these trips and then give my official what do I think? Is it worth it? Whatever. But I'm about to start packing. So let me show you. All right, y'all. So this is the TikTok bag. It is from Love Book, which I'm sure is probably a Chinese company. And this is the inside. It's pretty spacious. It has 2 cosmetics bag, and I wonder if this is a shoe bag or is it I don't know. Don't give me the line. But this is the inside, and it's pretty. It's pretty big and spacious. Look at this. The zipper is just like a regular travel bag. And then this is the second zipper compartment. You can put some more stuff in here. It's pretty big. I think I might be able, I feel like it might can compete. This is my usual underseater bag. So they're about the same size. So I feel like it might can compete with my girl. It just depends on if you want to carry something on your back, or if you just want to roll it. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna start packing and see how it fills out. All right, y'all. I'm mostly packed, but I'm already concerned because it just looks so stuffed and full, and I didn't even close it yet. I don't know. Let me close it and see what I think. But it's already packed. All right, so I done moved the camera and everything. So in this bag, I do got a lot of stuff in here. This is my toiletries, makeup, jewelry, sunscreen, everything in this bag. I have 2 dresses, some shorts, a t-shirt, 2 different sets, workout outfit, 2 swimsuits, a pair of flip-flops, a pair of slides, a pair of heels, and I think that's it. I'm going for 2 days. I'm not an overpacker. I know how to pack for a trip. Stop overpacking. Oh, then I have my Telfie right here. Can go from day to night with that bag. I think I'm gonna squeeze in. I need to squeeze in a little beach bag whatever. I might put that in one of the outside compartments. But let me just see about zipping this up. Hold on. And just see how it feels. Ooh. Because I do not want to be, you know, them spirit goons. They'll try to stop you and be like, put your bag. Ah! No, wait. Hold on. We have an issue. We have an issue. Hold on. Wait. I ain't doing this right. Put this in the middle. Put this here. Let me see. Chabu. What do I be doing? All right. Anyway, you don't know spirit goons will be like, put your bag in the thing, see if it fit, or a personal bag. Stop playing with me. Meanwhile, it'd be somebody with a whole carry-on that they just let go back. Stop playing with me. Ah. This is what we gonna do. I just know I'm gonna have to put something else in this bag too. Girl, this thing big. Move. I might try to speed this up. Here we go. Oh, baby, this is heavy. This already heavy. Oh, hold on. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I don't know if I can do this. I don't know if I can do this. I don't like book bags. I'm trying to see if I can stay committed. Good morning. It's 4:30 in the morning. I have my bag packed. It's kind of heavy. I almost aborted the mission and said get my rolly bag. Actually, it's not too heavy. It's all right. Let's see what happens when I get to the airport because it's big. Now see, the bag done got dirty already. I'm gonna take a little towel and try to wipe it. But look at it. All right, packing to go home, and this is what the bag looks like on the return. Why is it always so hard to pack your bag? I guess because you have dirty clothes and stuff like that, but this might be a one and done for me, y'all. It might be. I'm finally home. My final thoughts. It's a nice, big, durable bag. If you're a backpacker, it can work for you. But for me, I can't do it. It was just too heavy. Maybe I had too much stuff. Maybe it's just for an overnight, if you're not bringing multiple pairs of shoes type of thing. But yeah, it was just too heavy for me. I can't do it, but I could see it being a good everyday backpack. But it's just too heavy. I can't do the backpacks. So yeah, that's it for this experiment. Thanks for watching, guys.
NT, you made this?